Now what are you up to, Jim?
TDS.
TDS.
Echo 100. Teak Cleaner Powder. Cleans and brightens. Environmentally safe. The professional's choice.
Oh, who gave you that idea?
Saw somewhere. So we don't oil the teak. It's all natural. So this has pretty good results on it. Environmentally safe. So we'll cross this. I'll wet it down, sprinkle it on, and scrub it with a pad. I've got pads inside. We'll do half of it and kind of see. It should come out more of this pink color. And the idea is cross grain, so you're not pulling any of the wood fibers out of the.
Oh, okay. It's because
So
you
it's
don't
a
want
soft
to go
gentle
with
clean.
the
Right.
green. Okay.
It's a soft, gentle clean.
Wow.
So clean up some of your popcorn.
My popcorn. That was
Popcorn.
cranberry. We had cranberry sauce, and our son dropped some right here. But it's no longer pink. That was back in, what, February? Wow, there's an echo now that everything's off the dock. The chairs and the tables up there. And I think Jim brought my dog inside and all the flip-flops and dive gear. And so all that's right here. I'll check back in a little bit. All right, what tools are you using?
So a little scrub kit. So
Oh, you bought that without me.
Black is abrasive, red less abrasive, and the white is softer. I'm only using the white. I may use the red. I've saw some people using that on the teak, but I think it's might be too abrasive. The black is definitely. I'll use that for
Yeah, it
barbecue
says heavy
grill.
duty.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
Switch.
yeah.
All right, and you got your knee pads.
So we'll do one side. Important thing is keep it wet. I'm gonna wash the fiberglass first.
Okay,
So
you're gonna
I'm
wash all this down.
Wash the boat. Do the
It's pretty
transom.
good. There's a little bit of cobwebs up here with exhaust on it, but I mean, otherwise it looks great.
Pretty good for.
I did clean it. I think I cleaned it in December or January when we got in because the exhaust does get up there and get rid of the spiders. But the good thing is we haven't had any spiders on the boat here in Key West. That's pretty awesome.
Just keep on.
All right, Jim has everything scrubbed down. Excuse the airplane flying over. You're in Key West, you gotta get used to the airplanes. We're over in Stock Island, so we get the airplane and the Navy jets. All right, Jim's down scrubbing, going against the grain. He's got his knee pads on. Ooh, look at all the stuff that it's bringing up. Alright. All that is dirt. We have no more shoes on the boat. No. Who's gonna put my shoes on? I gotta sit down. Actually, Blue Tortuga Fitness says you gotta bend over, pick up your shoe, put it on, your sock and your shoe, put your foot down, and then grab the other one, do the other one on the other side. So I think it was called the old man workout. Oh, you're moving. I need to move out of the way.
Why don't you sprinkle that for me?
With my hands?
I wouldn't touch it.
Oh, I thought you said
We need a
non-toxic. Let me get a, I have a measuring, yes. All right, I got a measuring scoop from probably a protein powder or something. Oh, it fits right in there, perfect. So you just want to gently.
Just slightly flour it. That's blowing, so you don't want to. Yeah, there you go.
No, I don't want to
Yeah,
inhale
more
it.
than that. Twist them out. There you go. So I like this
Uh-oh.
one. So that's fine. No more of that. You put a little more on there.
I'm getting it off on the should be good. I'll leave the scooper in there.
Just like laundry soap.
It looks like the powder that you put in your laundry. I can't think of the name of it.
Tide.
No, it's a special, not bleach, but all right.
Can you put the hose on mist?
And mist, yes. All right, about halfway done. So the product sits between 10 and 15 minutes. And if I go really low to the deck, you can see where the wood rises a little bit. So it's looking good. The product reminds me of when you boil shrimp shells for broth. You're making seafood broth. It says it's safe. So I have some on my feet. Keep rinsing, just in case. All right, the final spray here. So we'll have a good idea what it looks like here in a few more minutes. Happy Easter. Jim finished up the deck work yesterday and it looks outstanding. Remember at the very beginning there was a stain here by the door. So everything, it's so much lighter. I would scrub down the deck and I was worried I was taking stain off, but there was no stain on the teak. That was just dirt. So we are finishing up. Jolly Rogers is hanging out with some parrots on the perch. Jim's upstairs working on the grill, getting that cleaned up. Just little jobs from now until we head up the river. The next job back here on this deck, you'll see that there's some, the caulk, I'm not sure the proper terminology, but that's gonna need to be replaced. But when you do that, then you have to do all these plugs too. So that's a job that is on the list. Thanks for watching. Keep on watching and we'll be making more.